Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to you all. I do hope that 2026 will be a very good year for everybody. I just put this together quickly. So I've got my canvas here. I've taped it up. I've put my push pins in. And I've marked on this piece of plastic the shape and the size of the canvas. And we are going to be doing a dip. We haven't done a dip in a very long time. So in here I've just mixed up some black paint that we're going to put down as the base. So just putting some of this black paint down. And then I'm just going to spread it out evenly into the square that we've drawn on, so that we know the paint will cover the canvas at least. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to make sure that the paint will cover the canvas. So there we go. That will do. Right, let me just get rid of that. And now into that we're going to put some color. So let us start. I'll start with this one. And again, I'm just randomly putting colors down on top of this black. So, did anybody do anything exciting last night for New Year's? Did you have a party? Did you go out? We didn't do anything. We don't really do stuff for New Year. I was awake, but I wasn't watching the clock. I mean, I wasn't awake for New Year. I was just awake because I'm awake usually. You know, if I'm not working the next day, I do tend to go to bed at 2-3 o'clock in the morning. That's just the way I do it. So I was awake and I wasn't watching the clock, and when I realized what the time was, it was about 12:30. So I just went and wished my husband and my son a happy New Year. They were also all still awake. So yes, our family are night owls. We go to bed very late. What else can I put? I don't know if I put some of that. I'll put some of that. Right. And I do just want to put a little bit of gold. Now, remember, the gold goes a far way, so you don't need a lot of it. Like that. And I'll just put one more color for good measure. Okay, that's nearly finished. That should actually be okay. I wonder, let me just, because you want to have a lot of color down, so might as well put some more. The more the merrier. Right, now I'm going to bring you up. Okay, so now all you do is you take your canvas and you dip it into the paint. and then you just push it gently. Don't push it too hard. Just push it down gently to make sure that there's no air pockets, because sometimes you get air pockets in here. So you just want to make sure you don't have any. Just push it down like that. And now we're going to lift it up. That pin is going to come out. And lifting it straight up. That's very pretty. There's a lot of gold in here. And I've got a lot of paint on here, so I just want to make sure it will be fine. Yeah, it'll be okay. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So now all you do is you just dip your sides. You just dip it in. Dip it in. And dip it in. And dip it in. And that should be that. I'm just going to move that out the way. That is so pretty. Now, if you have cabochons, you can now dip cabochons into that, because there are some beautiful colors and stuff in here. Or you could just let this dry, and when it's dry you just peel it off the plastic, and you can use all of those in cabochons to make pendants and stuff, because that is very, very pretty. I just want to hit this quick with a heat gun. Wow. The colors in here are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Look at the colors in that. It is so pretty. Look at that. This is probably one of the easiest techniques you can do. I mean, you saw how easy it was. And look how pretty the painting can turn out. Look at that. Look how bright and colorful it is. Beautiful patterns and designs in it. And quite a few of the colors in here do have metallic in. And then, of course, I put the gold in. So let me just put my flash on, and you'll see there. You'll see just that little bit of gold that I put in. Look at it. It's everywhere. You see those glimmers? That's all. Sorry, I'm trying to show you, but my hands are all shaky. Look there. You don't need to put a lot of the 24 karat gold in. And look there, it pops up everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Tons of it. See all the metallic in there, how it's shining. Look at that. So I like putting gold in because I love that shimmer that you get throughout the painting when it's dry. So everybody, thank you very much for joining me today as we created another stunning painting together. And as you saw, very easy technique to do. If you are new to acrylic pouring, this is definitely a technique that you can do, and you get such beautiful paintings out of this technique. And in fact, my favorite painting that I've ever done in my life was a dip, and I actually sold it in December now in December I sold it, and I was actually heart sore when I sold it because I just absolutely loved that painting, and it was a dip. So you can definitely get some really beautiful paintings out of this technique. So give it a go, give it a try. And then join my Facebook group. I have put the details to my Facebook group down in the description below. Join my Facebook group and share pictures of your art with me, because I would love to see them. Especially, you know, if I do a technique like now, I did a dip. If you try it, if you post the pictures, I would love to see your artwork. So join my Facebook group, and yeah, share your art with us. You can ask questions there, you know. It's just a nice place for artists to meet. And that's it. Everybody, I'll be back for another video in a day or two. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.